Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today we are talking about the fermata. A fermata is a symbol in music that either goes above or below a note and means that you play the note longer. It's cool because it gives you a little bit of freedom to slow down the music, take a breath, make it a little bit extra expressive. So a fermata looks like this. Sometimes people call it a bird's eye. So here's my half note. So a half note would normally get 2 beats, but when it has this, you can play it longer. If you have a conductor, you look at the conductor on the fermata, especially because he's going to hold his hand out to hold it and then close it when it's time to stop. So a fermata just means hold the note longer. So thanks for watching. Check out my other music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Ooh, 59.88 seconds.